In this video, we're going to learn about the ternary operator. So let's take out the logical operators and let's copy them out and put them in our comparison. Okay, let's close this up. So what is this ternary operator? The conditional ternary operator is the only JavaScript operator that takes three operands. First of all, it takes a condition followed by a question mark, then an expression to execute if the condition is truthful, followed by a colon, and finally the expression to execute if the condition is falsely. This operator is frequently used as a shortcut for the if statement. So I'm just going to initiate here another let, and let's say number, and we're going to give it the number 300. So we're going back to the Spartans, and I know we didn't learn about functions, but I'm going to use here a function, and let's say get fee. So this is actually the number fee. And let's type in here, argument is member, and now a function must return, and we will return is member, and now I'm going to use the ternary operator. So a question mark, and now a string of, let's say, $ and 2, and then colon, and then let's say $10. Now let's console log our function. So console.log function get fee. So once again, we're not talking about diameter fee. And now I'm going to change the number. I'm going to assign it 300. Did not change it, but reassign it, and type in here the ternary operator, and here correct, then followed by a column of incorrect. So we're basically saying if the number is 300, then it is correct, and for the correct we have 2, else we have 10 and incorrect. So let's just delete this entire thing here, and also this one. So let's console log here, for example, true. So if it's true, we'll get 2. Now if I would console log false, I would get 10. If I would console log just the number 1, I would get 2. And if I would console log 300, I would also get 2. Now let me give you another example. Let's say we're going to initiate here a let of age, and we're going to assign it 19, the value. Now let's say I'm going to initialize here. Now let's create a const, and we're going to call it can drive. Okay, now we're going to use the ternary operator. So if age is greater than 18, then give me yes. So I'm just going to type in here a string of yes, else give me no. So let's save this, and let's console log now can drive. And let's see what we get. So is age greater than 18? Yes, it is. And we are getting yes. And if I would change it to, let's say, 18, then we would get no. If I would ask it if is age greater or equal to 18, I would get yes. Is age, if I would change age to 17, we would now get can drive with no. Okay, so this is basically a shortcut for the if-else statement. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. See you in the next one.